bumper on the Rainbow Bridge.
Yay! Want to play the game now? Okay, you get it all ready and you set it all up, okay? And then we can play.
There's so many pieces.
There are so many pieces, so when you set it all up, okay?
I'm not ready.
Hey!
Clap your hands, clap your hands.
Yay!
Coming in at number 1.
She knows when it's finished, you'll press it again and dance to it. How about stand up dance? Lisa, stand up and dance.
Help her stand up.
Stand up. Up.
You're pressing on the stand up. Don't press out.
I'm ready.
Stand up and dance.
I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
Stand up, up and dance.
Well, let's see which way. Does that go here?
No. There.
How about this one? Goes there.
Opposites are lots of fun.
And
In
then
and
what's
out,
next?
off and on, up. Coming in
See
at
the
number
glass
1.
on top? You have to be careful. Do you want to put it all together on the glass table? Because the carpet is soft, it might be moving around too much and it will be very hard. How about we put it on the table? It's harder. You want to do it? Okay, let's go. Careful head. Come.